Good afternoon, Jeff. My name's Austin. I'm a salesman here at Mercedes-Benz of Manchester, and thank you so much for your interest in our 2015 Ford Transit van. As I said on the phone, this van's in very good shape. It does have 103,000 miles on it, but as you mentioned, these vans can last quite a long time. Still has a whole lot of life left in it. Taking a look here, you can see this vehicle does have the Easy Fuel gas receiver. And looking at that tag there, you can see the vehicle's gross vehicle weight. Now walking around the side, we'll take a quick look at the side of the vehicle. As you can see it. And wrapping around to the back, we'll take a look at the rear end of the vehicle. I'll open it up to give you an inside shot. Looking inside, you can see we do have some pre-installed shelving. However, of course, it is wood and it can easily be removed if need be. Now we'll come around to the passenger side, giving you a sweeping look of the passenger side of the vehicle. We'll open up, of course, the side door here. Now I am 6'2", to give you a reference of how tall the ceiling is. From inside the van, I can just almost stand up straight. Now moving inside the vehicle, just take a quick look around the cabin here. You do have cup holders for both the passenger on the right side. In the center here you have two, as you can see, and the driver has one as well over on this side. There's plenty of storage. You have it up top here. You've got two sun visors that fold down with a mirror. Now looking in the center here, we have all of our climate controls directly in the center. We have two 12-volt outlets here, as you can see, as well as an auxiliary port and a USB port. Looking up here, we have all of our radio settings and infotainment settings. There you can connect your phone via Bluetooth. You can make calls using the dialing pad here. Now looking at the shifter knob here, you do have a manual mode for the shifter. Shifting it all the way down, you can see this M here, and you change gear manually using this up and down or plus and minus switch here on the left side of the shifter knob. Now moving over to the steering wheel, you have a bunch of controls on here. You can answer and hang up phone calls. You can control your volume and what track you're listening to. You have a voice command feature, pulling this switch here. On the left side you have all of your climate control settings, and you can control the information screens using these directional pads up by the right and left thumb on the steering wheel. Thank you so much for watching, Jeff. Again, my name is Austin. You can contact me with any questions at 603-669-6788. My extension is 220-211. Or you can email me at alunt@driveprime.com.